Understanding a True Blue Friend in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in English, a true blue friend. Have you ever wondered what it means or where it comes from? Well, you're in the right place. This video will break down everything you need to know about this phrase, making it easy for English language learners to understand and use it confidently. So, let's get started. A true blue friend refers to someone who is loyal, reliable, and faithful. This phrase emphasizes the quality of being genuine and steadfast in friendship. When you call someone a true blue friend, you're saying that they are the kind of person who will stand by your side through thick and thin, and you can always count on them no matter what. The term, true blue, has an interesting history. It originally referred to the unfading color of blue used by certain weavers in Coventry, England, which was known for its quality and durability. Over time, true blue came to symbolize steadfastness, reliability, and loyalty. When applied to a friend, it underscores these qualities in the context of friendship. Using the phrase, a true blue friend, in your conversations is a great way to express your appreciation for someone's loyalty. Here are a few examples. You've always been there for me. You're a true blue friend. I'm lucky to have a true blue friend like you. It's hard to find true blue friends these days. This phrase is perfect for expressing gratitude, admiration, or recognition of someone's unwavering support and friendship. Understanding the meaning and usage of a true blue friend can add depth to your conversations and help you express your feelings more vividly in English. We hope this video has shed some light on this beautiful phrase and inspired you to think about the true blue friends in your life. Remember, having just one true blue friend is a treasure. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and keep learning.